What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today I wanted to get some things cleaned up and organized. As you can see here in the garage, it is a huge mess. Wanted to start the process of just making more space for activities. And by activities, I mean working on some cars. Usually I use these two spots, but the problem is if I want to work on the TC, it's kind of in a stationary spot, but I do want to make sure I have enough room to work and all that so I can get started on this project, because I know a lot of you have been commenting, when are you going to work on this? So that'll be coming real soon. I just want to make sure I have enough space so I don't have to move all the cars out just to work on the TC, just making it real nice and simple for myself. But before we get into that, if you do me a huge favor, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Definitely do appreciate it. And also follow our socials on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Links are in the description below. You'll see content there that you don't see here on YouTube. So it just kind of goes back and forth. I try to do some different things and seeing what you guys like and don't like. But yeah, thank you so much for supporting the channel. Really appreciate it. But yeah, we're doing the 1,000 subscriber giveaway soon. I promise. I just haven't got around to how I'm going to do it. But I promise I'll do it soon. So I'm going to go ahead and move these cars out of the way and get started on cleaning up the garage. Now the TC is backed up, I have some room here to work and clean up and start organizing everything. Yep, I know it looks like a huge mess, but yeah. Parts have been disappearing and being sold gradually over time. It's just taking a little longer than expected with the economy, with the way it is. I'm not surprised. But yeah, I have to go ahead and start cleaning.
Several bad puns later.
Alright, made some progress. I pulled the Momo wheels out. Haven't got here yet, but back there I've reorganized and reshifted everything. Might not look like much, but this has actually gone back about 4 feet. So I have a couple more feet in space here. Threw some stuff out. Miscellaneous empty boxes that I'm not going to be needing and stuff. Honestly, I was just hoarding. But yeah, it's coming along. Got more walkway space here. Next thing to do is to wipe down the Recaros, which are over there. Put the covers on them and get them up there because they're not going to be touched for a while. But yeah, it's coming along. More and more space.
2,000 years later.
As you can see, the cars are back in the garage. I have a very short amount of time today to clean up, but I did do some cleaning. So the updates for April XB, still got to finish the audio and do some more work on it to make sure it's more comfortable to drive. Pulled some stuff out of the garage. As you can see here, there is a sticker here. You can kind of see what it is. You can only imagine what I'm going to be doing next. And that's for the XB. These boxes are pulled out. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know what these are for. That's okay, it's been sitting, but plan on working on that soon. Still need to do all the maintenance and everything. I have ordered a lot of stuff for it. I'm just waiting for everything to come in. The TC, I have everything I need ready. I just need to find time to work on it. So this car, I need to finish finish the end plates for the wing, one screw on the roof, and a lot of maintenance since this car's been sitting forever and cleaning it up. Aside from that, it needs a tune, and the car's pretty much done. So that's going to be real soon. S2 is still going to sit, and I did clean up a lot. It doesn't look like I did, but I did. There's a lot more space in front of the TC now. And yeah. And the Recaros are up there now, so nice and tucked away. But yeah, that pretty much concludes today's video. Thanks again so much for watching. I want to say thank you to all my customers, or me and Steve's customers that have been ordering parts. Thank you so much, and everybody that's been subscribing to the channel, watching the videos. Thanks again. Really do appreciate it. Until next time, you guys take care. See you on the next episode.